Yeah. She break her waist like Dole Pop. I don't mind if you go a low for pop. Dark skin girl like Lupita.
It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sippin' on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want.
Alright, I would like to thank this particular Amazon company, SME. I think I'm pronouncing that right. SME for sending me this. I think it's really cute. Well, the pictures are cute. We're gonna see how it looks on. Alright, it's an ombre brown, light ash blonde, medium wave wig, natural looking they say, realistic synthetic wig. It's heat resistant and it says fiber daily false hair. Fiber daily false hair, I'm not exactly sure what that means. Okay, so again, I do want to thank this particular company for sending me this wig to review. It is very affordable, so if you are interested in it, definitely follow the links down below so you can purchase it. It has no lace to cut, you guys, so it should be a pop on and go, in my opinion. So this is what I'm hoping for, so let's get into it. So if you're interested in seeing how this unit looks on me, stay tuned.
Pommy yard, say she give me pommy yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I they think so. Any man, them me looking at they think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pommy yard, say me pommy yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Mother one say she give me for me, y'all say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place, enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain, the only special one for
me. You guys, okay, let's get into this because let me talk about the pros and the cons. Again, this is from an Amazon vendor, SME. It is a synthetic wig. A pro for me is the fact that it didn't have any lace, so I didn't have to cut anything. Oh, something else I like about the wig, it has dark roots, and then of course it goes into the blonde. I love the ash blonde color. The pro is just the style. I love the style. I love the color up against my skin. I think it looks gorgeous up against my skin. I do love the color. I love the style. Something else that I love is that it has these small, like short type of bangs in the front, like feathery type of bangs in the front. I do like that. The fact that it was so quick to put on is another pro. It's a quick slay. Yeah, those are my pros. Now my cons would be that it has a lot of flyaways. I don't know if you can see that right here. It has a lot of flyaways or a lot of short hairs. Okay, it does shed excessively. Okay, it's like shedding crazy. It's blonde hair, so I guess, you know, blonde hair sheds a lot, if that makes sense, because it has to be treated and stuff like that. But it's synthetic blonde hair, so is synthetic blonde hair supposed to shed a lot too? Like, I don't know. Yeah, even though I do like the cut of the bangs, it is kind of like all in my face a little bit, and I wish it wasn't in my face that much. The shedding I can deal with. The flyaways I feel like I can deal with. What I cannot deal with though is the hump. This part right here. I like my wigs to be flat on the top, if you know what I mean. Like, I need this to be flat. I need this to be flat. Yeah, it's in my face. I don't like the fact that it's in my face like that, but I need this to be flat. I need this part to be flat. Like, if it's flat, I think I can work with it, but it's humpy right here. It's really humpy. Do you guys see that? It just looks, it's not what I expected. And the thing about it is, the pictures, it looks kind of humpy in the pictures too, but it's really humpy. Like, it's humpy. I was expecting, I don't know. I don't know what I was expecting. I got this wig late 2021. I got this wig. If you are a follower of my channel, then you will know which other wig I'm talking about. But I got this particular wig when I got the other blonde wig that had a horrible lace part. Okay. I didn't want to review blonde wig after blonde wig back to back. Now that blonde wig was very, very pretty. It was very, very soft, very, very pretty, but the lace was just horrible. This is very, very similar. The color is pretty, it's soft. What I don't like though is the lacing part. And it's not even the lace part too much, it's the hump. I don't like the hump, okay? I think I'm gonna go off camera and try to manipulate it and bring it down a bit. All right, so just give me a moment. Okay, give me a moment. Un momento. Okay, I'm back. I'm back, you guys. I'm back. So I've already listed out the pros and the cons for you. And I went ahead and used my Got To Be spray. I used this brush. And I really just wanted to try to tame the top of the hair, since that was really one of my biggest cons. Although I said I love the bang area and how it kind of feathers to the side, it's just too much in my face. So I decided to go ahead and put my my mini bobby pins in so it could just be out of my face. I think it looks a little better. I don't know. I don't know. Honestly, I think I will probably confirm once I edit the video. Okay, so I'm editing the video, you guys, and actually I think it looks better without me trying to flatten the top. I should have just left it alone where it was humpy and flowy, a bit. Me using the Got To Be spray and the brush and the bobby pins and trying to flatten the top, I think it made it look worse. So I wish I would have just left it flowy. Because as I'm editing right now, I'm looking at it and saying, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. What do y'all think? Let me know. If you want an inexpensive, affordable, cheap blonde wig, and you're not really caring too much about the top, go ahead and get this one. I mean, it's very pretty, it's very soft. The flyaways, I did spray my Got To Be glue on the flyaways to try to tame it. It didn't work. So the flyaways are honestly too much for me. I do have somewhere to go, so I was going to wear this unit out, but now I'm thinking otherwise, like maybe not. I should just wear a hat with it today. Maybe I should just wear a hat with it today. I should just wear a hat with it today. I think I may just do that. I think I may just wear a hat with it today. Let me know down below if you have any questions about this particular wig. Alright, don't forget to follow me on some of my social media platforms. I am an Amazon influencer, so of course I will leave the Amazon link down below if you're interested in this particular unit. Thank you so much for stopping by. Alright, let's go.
It's Fake Kills.